Hello, welcome to eSMART TV. In this edition of this eSMART TV, we are going to unbox and review a Samsung 59.8 centimeters curved monitor from Samsung. This product I bought from Amazon.in, and the outside packing was excellent. The packing outside is very good to see, but I want to show you how is the packing inside. It's very important to keep such products in a shock proof packing. As I opened the outer cartoon, I could able to see very poor packing inside. Only one roll of paper is kept inside and no bubble caps or other such things are present inside to protect it. The original actual packing of the company packing of the Samsung monitor is here. It's essential curved monitor 59.8 centimeters CF390 is the model, and the product is little bit of heavy weight as I lift from the box. On the outside it is written as essential curved monitor 59.8 centimeter. It is having an HDMI port, and it is an original Samsung product. And two things are mentioned here: easy for your eyes, best in class curvature of 1800 R, and the price on the cartoon box is 14,798, but which I purchased at a lower cost. We can discuss about it in the last part of our video. And so many other labels and small icons are there here and there on the top of the cartoon. Okay. And another one important thing I want to say is it is suitable for gaming, and it is super slim design. Okay, so FreeSync technology is incorporated into it, so that the video quality will be enhanced in such a way that during the playing of games it will be very useful. Now let us try to open the original packing of Samsung, and the Samsung of packing is really good. We have an thermocol which is placed above the monitor. It's very safe, and some other accessories are there. In that you can see one VGA cable, and another one is the power cable. VGA cable and power cable was given in a as a set in a cover. The VGA cable ends were covered with plastic covers, and this is the neck of the monitor, and this is the bottom stand. It's a very nice one, and a 14 volt power source was given along with it. It is kept separately, and now we can keep these accessories outside, and we'll try to fit the monitor and try to use it. Now let us see how this fixing can be made. Before that, I'll remove this outer cover, which is made up of a soft material, and we could able to see an excellent screen without no damages. Even though the packing from the Amazon is not great, I could be able to see a very good packing from Samsung. This is the fixing procedure. The bottom flat surface has to be connected to the neck by means of a small screw. This screw is having a speciality. We can hand tight or loose it with a small aperture given in it, and we should not put it down and press over that. That is important instruction they are saying at this instruction material. And after fixing, I could able to show you the bezels are very thin and glossy. The surface is very glossy. The bezels are thin and very glossy, super glossy I want to say, and even fine dust materials falls on it is very much visible. And this is the back side, original view of the monitor. And back side it is having small lines drawn so that it will be free from scratches, and there is provision for fixing onto the wall mounting is available. The build quality is excellent, and we can see the ports for connecting to the 14 volt power input, then a speaker outlet, 3.5mm jack, then a VGA cable inlet is there, and also an HDMI port is also available. So these are the important connectivities that we can make: HDMI port, VGA cable, and an external speaker outlet. For that, a 3.5 mm jack is given. So this HDMI port is also available, and audio jack, external connectivity for audio output is also available. This is the neck, and this neck do not have any height adjustment. You cannot move here and there, and the bottom flat surface you can see super glossy, and it is reflecting the ceiling of my wall. And this is the provision for wall mounting, and see the clarity is very excellent. I'm giving a high grading for this clarity because Samsung is well known for the manufacturing of this thing. You can see that no flickering is there. The bezels are very thin and super designed, and no flickering is there. You can see the monitor. So definitely it is friendly for the eyes for whoever it is using for long time, particularly for studio purposes and all. It is very good, and it is not flickering at all. The color reproduction is very nice, and the clarity is also excellent. And anyhow, we expect little more clarity or little more thing out of this as it is of Samsung. The curvature, now I want to say about the curvature. The curvature is very minor, and it will not be felt in a different way. Actually, before purchasing, I had a second thought whether I should purchase this or not because of this curvature. Okay, so on the back side you can see again there is an button is there. This is it has all the multifunctional button, and we can have moves towards, this is called as jog button. We can move left, right, and also center press. So on pressing it, immediately we will get the 5 options out of it. On turning to the right, we will get that EYESaber mode. It's a on off button of EYESaber mode, and at the top, if you move to the top, you can see various adjustments like picture quality, particularly this brightness we can adjust for under 4 categories: custom, standard, cinema, and dynamic effect. First I am showing the dynamic effect, which is very good. This dynamic effect or dynamic contrast is very excellent, and it will be very helpful when we are making some videos which are having multiple colors and dynamic view. And next one is what we call it as cinema. When you are watching, say, various movies or certain videos, you can use this mode. And there is another one mode called as standard mode, which is having a little bit of dullness over the view. That is, it is a little more comfortable to the eyes when compared to this cinema mode and dynamic mode. And we can also have our own custom adjusted, that is brightness, contrast, and color can be adjusted, and we can have our own mode for viewing the picture. So all these various adjustments are available. Again, once more I say that the curvature design is very comfortable, and I felt really good because I was having a second thought whether we can go for this curved monitor or not, because if it is curved it may look different, and sometimes it may not be good for viewing for long time. But it's not true. It's very excellent, and I could able to view for this view through this monitor for long time without any discomfort. And we have to go for another options in the picture. There is another few adjustment. If you are selecting custom, you have changes, or you can make changes over brightness, contrast, sharpness, color, and even one more important option is there, that is upscaling. If your computer is having a little bit of low resolution, we can upscale the resolution by using 2 modes given, mode 1 and mode 2. But as my computer could able to support this high resolution output, I am keeping it in off mode. So this is an additional feature in this monitor which we can use for many computers. And these are all well-known things, that is on-screen transparency of this content, then position, horizontal position and vertical positions of the picture can be adjusted, and then we have language selection option. Normally we can go with English, and display time, how much time this has to be on display if the jog button is kept on rest. And we also have another one button called system, in which you can put echo saving off, auto, low and high. This echo saving or economic mode of high will be having a very dull quality. The backlight will be very less if you put in economy mode high, and for my purpose I am switching it off. And timer option is also available. Then PC and AV mode, that is if you are using through a PC, then you can use it by PC mode, and if you are using an AV mode you can put it into HDMI and you can use it. Then source detection, auto and manual modes are there. Normally I used to put in auto mode, so it will automatically select the source input. And key repeat time, we can double time or single time we can manage it. And power LED on off, that is one small blue color LED light is on the right hand side corner of the monitor. During off condition, this blue light will. The overall rating for this monitor I am giving 85% of goodness, because very good design, build quality, and a little more I expected with their clarity also. So overall it is 85% good. Finally, we want to discuss about the price. I had compared the price in Flipkart as well as the Amazon. In Flipkart it was 10,449 rupees after the discount price. In the Amazon the price is around 10,699 after a good deal, and it is very comfortable price for this product. Thank you.